Hi everybody, I'm Pete Wright with LexJet, and I'm here today with Mike Richardson of Jessup. And we're in the booth that has what I consider to be the industry leader of adhesives. When you want to talk about adhesive materials that are printable, this is the place to go. They've got just about everything. And they've got a new product called Duos. Mike, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great today, and yourself?
I am fantastic.
Well, great.
So talk to me a little bit about the Duos.
Sure, so the Duos is our match component system of products where we have teamed up a great line of high-tack and removable vinyls for labels, markings, what have you, with our laminates. So our laminates are excellent for non-slip surfaces or for wall graphics.
So you talk about non-slip surfaces. That was one of the first things I saw of yours, and that's one of the things we always think about is the slip resistance in terms of things you put on the floor, stairs, things like that. And that's one of your most popular products, right?
Right, absolutely. So we kind of were on the forefront years ago developing the one-step method of floor graphics where the non-slip technology is built into the media and you can print on it and go install, saving time and effort and money for floor graphics.
And then we move into non-floor graphics where we get into repositionable medias, more permanent medias. Talk to me about your options there in terms of different medias that we have.
Sure, we have our TexWalk, our most popular product that works great on walls as a removable, repositionable wall graphic material, but also as just a permanent wall graphic material. It lasts for years on the wall, and is also a great, obviously a great floor graphic material.
Now, if somebody had your media and they wanted to print and then do a die cut on one of the cutting solutions, how does it handle in terms of being contour cut?
Oh yeah, our TexWalk can be contour cut on a Graphtec, Namaki, your type of plotters like that. And then of course the flatbed plotters as well too.
Fantastic. Any specific types of printers? Are we UV? Are we latex? Are we aqueous? What types of medias can we print on?
So all of our PVC vinyl products are compatible with solvent, eco-solvent, latex, UV. Our PVC free products being our asphalt art, sidewalk, Wall Pro 4, which is a polypropylene film, those would be UV and latex compatible.
Fantastic. So you kind of have the whole gamut covered for us here.
Absolutely.
And just looking at the product, it really retains color well. That's one of the things that always concerns me when I hear people talking about, we've got a great adhesive product. Proof's in the pudding. How does it look when it actually prints? How does it retain that color? Is it going to fade? Is the ink going to smear? So talk to me about your retention on your color.
The colors, it holds the colors for years. I mean, it's a great product. Our Armor Lam 15, which is our newest addition to our Armor Lam line, has high UV stability. It can be used outdoors without yellowing or fading the colors. It's a great product.
Fantastic. Mike, thanks for your time today.
You bet.
I can't wait to see a lot more of your product just across the industry, because if people don't know about it, they're missing out on, to me, the best product you can get to stick to anything you want. It's the best there is.
Stick to anything you want. That's what Jessup's all about.
Absolutely. If you want more information about Jessup's products, reach out to us at 1-800-4LexJet or LexJet.com.